just take credit and be in the picture, but they're the people behind it all. Thank you, Team Culinary, Hilton Manila Newport. Well done, well done.
Can we do the posting?
Yes.
There you go.
I'll do it with you. Good stuff. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Good evening, everyone, once again. For those of you that I haven't had the pleasure of introducing myself personally, my name is Gagan Talwar and I'm the General Manager here at Hilton Manila Newport World Resorts. Thank you for braving the weather. As I've said to some of you, it's great to see this turnout. We were a bit scared, to be honest. I hear there's more rain coming over the next few days, but for you to come out here and join us, it really, really means a lot to us. It doesn't say so here. Ah, there it does. Reimagined. Dining reimagined. Where does that come from? So 5 months ago, as I joined the team here at Hilton Manila, I put out a challenge to them. I said, on our journey from good to great this year, F&B is going to be at the forefront, all right? And this is not just about creating simple new culinary experiences. It's about never standing still. It's about improving ourselves, pushing ourselves, repositioning ourselves, reimagining ourselves. I see a lot of you still have smiles on your faces, so I think we've done something right all the way down from Madison to Hua Yan. Hua Yan, Chef Kevin. Let's give him a round of applause for putting things together there. Thank you, Chef Kevin, with a whole new menu that was launched on the 8th of July. Port Bar, I'm sure you've enjoyed the drink that we had on offer. I had a couple behind the scenes. And now here at Kusina. It's my pleasure to now finish off this evening, but again, bring back the mastermind behind what we wanted to do with F&B at Hilton Manila Newport World Resorts. And I call him my resident celebrity chef, Chef Lord. Where are you, mate? Come out here. To take you guys through what we want to do at Kusina, I hand you over to Chef Lord and his wonderful team. Thank you for being with us one more time. Have a great evening. Cheers.
Welcome. Do you still have space? So, I would like to thank my Marcom team for giving me this a lot of spill. I'm not really good at this, so I'm just gonna talk it to our hearts because we really made our buffet. All of our food here in Hilton Manila was really made by our passion. So I'll just walk you through Kusina because our GM already kind of take you to the tour from Madison to Port Bar and to Wayan, which is specialized by our Chinese chef, Chef Kevin. So now I'm gonna tour you with our Kusina. So what are the new and the reimagined thing that we did in Kusina? So Kusina, the word itself, it's really truly Filipino. Right? So in these sections, you'll see an international sections that we have. So number one, we have the Ichiban. We call it Ichiban, the Japanese sections. What's different with our Japanese sections is that we're using sustainable seafood. Number one is our salmon. Our salmon is sustainable and traceable. That's what we use for our sashimi. We also use our tuna from Cebu. So Cebu tuna is traceable. It's also sustainable as well. So once we bought our tuna and salmon, arrive in our hotel, there's a QR code on their boxes. So once you scan the QR code on those boxes, that will tell you where they've been catch and how they've been catch and which company caught them. So ganun siya talaga ka-traceable for us. So it's very important for us because some of the sustainable accredited hotels are just saying they're sustainable, but just checking the box. But we are really trying to do our best to be sustainable. Okay, so I wish you can try our Japanese sections. All our maki rolls, there are variety of every Japanese sections that you're gonna see around us. Next is we have our Filipino section, which is I'm very proud of. So I'm a Filipino chef, so I'm really proud of what we do here. All of our Filipino cuisine that you'll see there is our classic Filipino cuisine. why we're trying to uplift and showcase that? Because most of the time, Filipino cuisine are being stereotyped. Pag sinabi Filipino cuisine, it's cheap, it's street food. And we don't believe that. We believe that we can be on that stage. Why? Because even in abroad, you'll see Filipino cuisine right now already on the spotlight. But why not in this country? We are Filipinos. So we need to be very, very proud of that. And I'm very proud to showcase you that. Because there, you see our favorite, lechon, right? Our lechon here is not bought from Indias or from airlines. We make our own lechon. Okay? We create our own lechon. We cooked it, we marinated with no MSG on it, just herbs and spices that you can get in here. All of our vegetables that we use in Filipino sections are coming from Atok Benguet and Mangkayan, okay? Which is straight from the farmer's field to us. Why are we doing that? Because number one, it's part of our ESG, which is to remove carbon footprints para mas less yung carbon footprints. Number two, we're trying to help our local farmers because if no one will, who will? So we're trying to help them at all costs that we can. Okay? Then, most of the dishes that you'll see on the Filipino are classic caldereta, are classic kare-kare. Because we don't need to uplift so much of those cuisines. It's so diverse, the taste itself already speaks for itself. We can really be proud of it. Okay? Next is our smokehouse. So our smokehouse will showcase a lot of variety of meats which is coming from Australia, US, and New Zealand. But we're putting a touch of flavors in a Filipino way. So we smoke all of our meat and sausage and chickens on smokehouse for 18 hours. We have a smoker at the back, we cook it for 18 hours. But normally in the international world, they're using oak wood and apple wood. Here, we're using sandal wood, Filipino wood. Why? Because based on our R&D experiment for the longest years, sandal wood is very acidic, very tasteful. It tenderizes all that meat that you cannot found in other countries. We have that. So when you pass by our smoke section, you'll see a lot of sandalwood. That's our sandalwood that being used for 18 hours. Wala talagang pure passion lang ang cooking. I hope you can try it as well. Next is our Indian section. So our Indian section, we have our Indian chef. His name is Chef Manesh. I hope you can talk to him and ask him about his dishes because he's doing a wonderful dish from northern India. So most of the northern Indian delicacies na highlight was in this section.
It's the, if I may add, the right part of India, because I'm from North India as well.
I cannot disagree more. But try it. So all of their tandoor there is cooked by his own hands on the tandoor oven. He's cooking fresh naan bread. So that's quite new in most of the hotels. They just bought it. Here we're cooking it fresh for you. And the next section will be our Asian sections. Our Asian sections was managed by our chef, Chef Amina. He's a Muslim chef. She's a Muslim chef. So she's specialized in Indo and Malay cuisine. So what you'll see there is an Indonesian and Malay cuisine that cook for really her passions, but a touch of Marawi pills. Why do I say Marawi pills? Chef Amina is a Filipino Muslim chef from Marawi. Because every section, as you notice, I put a Filipino touch on our menu. Because we're trying to highlight who we are. Okay? Second to the last is our pastry. Those pastry that you're gonna see tonight, I call it tree of pastry. Because this is a reimagine of FNB, I call it tree of pastry. Because every tree comes from a seed, right? So those seed that Chef Caroline implant on our pastry is a seed of every technique and delicacies that we nourish through the years. So you'll see a lot of shape, sizes, colors on those pastry area because all shape and colors of pastry requires another technique. So it's not just about the taste, it's also the technique that we're trying to showcase there. Lastly, to end this is we have our dampa. Who knows dampa? Everybody knows dampa. Because dampa is really close to Philippine hearts. Why? Number one, it's freshly cooked. Number two, only in Hilton Manila you see a dampa that is sustainable, freshly caught every day. We can guarantee you that. It's been delivered by our suppliers every day fresh. That's our agreement with them. Lastly is the sauces that we put there. Who's familiar with Alabar sauce? We showcase Alabar sauce. Again, it's a Filipino touch, Filipino flavor that I hope you all like it. I hope you still have space on your tummy after all of this. But I hope you enjoy and we're very, very happy that you were here to see and showcase what we really are trying to do.
Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you remember, I said 5 months ago I had put down a challenge for our team. Over these 5 months, I have learned a little bit of Tagalog. So to the entire team, salamat po. You've really made me very, very proud. I now invite all of you to please try our new Kusina Reimagined buffet. Please, thank you.